Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here with another new video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the proven Facebook strategies for your business. So, have you ever used Facebook for your own personal account but have never used Facebook for your own business? Have you ever come across many pages on Facebook who have come across your page on the top right corner, showing to you mostly what the services and the products that they are offering? You may have come across many celebrities pages which you have come across and may have also liked to get their latest updates that what they are doing. Similarly, this idea is also used to promote your own business for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can utilize Facebook page and the proven techniques of Facebook to help you for your own business. So let's get started. The first thing, when you come out with your own business online, the main point is to know about how you are going to utilize Facebook for your own business. The first thing is to have a page. When you have your own account, you can also create your own page on Facebook. You can go on the pages section and click create a page, and you can come up with your own brand name of your own business out there by creating your page of your business. Next one is to remember that to drive more and more traffic from your page of Facebook which you already have. The point is to remember that once you connect your page with your website, the main reason to do this is to generate more and more customers through Facebook. Main reason to come online and utilize Facebook is that you want more and more customers to come through your Facebook and gather more and more data from Facebook as well. Well, Facebook has come up with a varied and a wonderful strategizing method of creating businesses online. So, you must not lag behind when this method of utilizing Facebook comes into the picture. So, create a link of your Facebook by adding your website into the link in the Facebook page itself so that it can connect directly with the website that your brand name is all about. The most important thing about a Facebook page is that you can create your own awareness or get more customers more and more through Facebook itself. When you have your own page of your own brand name, you must have your own DP and a very attractive cover picture. When you have a very attractive cover picture with the kind of products and services that you're selling, and you have that as a cover picture, it plays a very big part and a role in which you can get your customers out there. So, create a wonderful cover picture and a wonderful desktop picture of your brand and get out there on your Facebook page. The next thing is to know is that utilizing Facebook advertisements. Facebook advertisements create a very big role in promoting your products and services online. You can reach a lot of people geographically with the particular psychographics, demographics, in that particular interest with what people want or what age group out there by utilizing the Facebook Manager. So make sure that you utilize Facebook Ads Manager for that. There is a particular method by which you can come up more and more utilizing the Facebook ads by generating more and more followers or more likes on your own page so that you can promote your brand on a large platform. Facebook ads plays a very big important role for new businesses coming online and the pages out there. So make sure that you utilize this. The next thing is to know when coming up with your own strategy on Facebook is to come with a content promoting method and strategy again and again and again. That means that you need more and more videos and content out there to be put on a regular basis, which shows out there your products, your service, and your kind of methods in which you can reach a lot of people's engagement, likes, comments on your posts on your business page. This will enable you to reach a lot of number of people out there and create the kind of regularity which you come with your own content out there. So make sure that you utilize this platform by putting more and more content out there, because you to come and rank higher on even Facebook, you require your own content to be regularly posted out there. So make sure that you put this point out there. Next thing which is important on Facebook is to use pinned content. So when you pin posts, you can directly get customers' attention out there that something you have posted out there, and your customers or your audience can get that attention right away when you post and have through a pinned post. So make sure that you utilize the pin tool out there on the Facebook itself, page itself, and you can promote out there. The next thing to remember about a Facebook strategy is that Facebook has grown ultimately into one of the largest social media apps, and the website has linked more than 1 billion people of users in the world. So you cannot be lacking behind now with this point that you can't be utilizing your business for your own growth and progress, which you really deserve. So make sure that you use these points which are very necessary. Let me continue. So, Facebook has come out with many different ways. Facebook has come out with new tools like Facebook Live, by having a live stream on Facebook itself. You should be coming more and more often live to engage with your customers if you want to, by showing that you are the brand ambassador of your brand, and by showing that these are the kind of offers that you are offering with a particular discounts, contest or giveaways that you come up with. This creates in the mind of the customer direct urgency and the good strategic method that you will be following to get grabbing attention of your audience. So make sure that you utilize this point to grab the complete attention through a live stream. Also, there are Facebook stories which are also out there, which will help you to create and grab the attention of the post that's your upcoming post, so that you can tap on the top of the feed channel of your story, which will show that what kind of new things that you're updating yourself in your business and in your page, which will also showcase a good highlights of your own business. So integrate social media everywhere. You must be integrating social media out there everywhere through your Facebook. You can utilize this by utilizing the Facebook page that you have created, and this is one of the most effective methods that Facebook has ever come up with. Also, I would be pointing out the next thing which Facebook really offers is that they are creating a huge network of your own page with other pages. For example, if you are coming out with your own products and services out there and posting regular content on Facebook, then you should connect yourself and also be posting your same content which will come out on your page by connecting and joining different Facebook groups. When you join those groups, what happens is you can also promote your content out there by putting with a good offer and a good description out there, by showing people that what is in it out there for them, by giving them the same kind of images in the post that you are offering, and by posting on those networks can make you reach through a lot of people, through friends of friends, through friends, people of a different geographical area, and this is what Facebook plays a very important part with. Facebook is one of the most trusted and the most friendly, user-friendly experience that ever can create, and the most easiest way to use. What Facebook will create a branding and the good reach for you, no other social media app is so easy as Facebook is. And I have seen many other businesses have started utilizing Facebook more and more. So I would recommend you to also collaborate with them by giving a share for a share or a like for a like, by posting your comment, by posting your content on their page and their content on your page as well. This will create a kind of good social network out there, which will enable you for your products and services to reach more and more people organically. And the best way to utilize Facebook is that you can also invite more and more people through WhatsApp and more of Instagram. This is what Facebook has offered by inviting the link of your page, by sending them through different WhatsApps of your friends, family, and also friends of their friends. This is the best method that Facebook has ever used. So make sure that you utilize Facebook to the most optimized manner that's ever there. The last and the least about Facebook, Facebook strategy which I would like to talk to you about, is that Facebook is in itself a big social media platform. It has changed the world, and people's brands and their incomes are multiplied through a huge potential that you can never imagine. So make sure that you utilize these Facebook tools by giving up and coming up with good offers, good contests, and there are also ways in which if you come out with your own events by coming up with creating your own event, coming up with a good offer, showing your own product images and the kind of shoots that you're doing. So this creates a kind of more exciting, the more creative method of promoting yourself on Facebook out there. If you have liked this video, please do comment below, and if you have any questions, please do let me know. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe on the button above, and I'll see you in the next videos.